And now, your first Alert 5 weather.
Well, tonight's cold front has arrived in Colorado Springs at the airport, reporting northeast wind at 24 miles per hour. Just about 30 minutes ago, the wind was out of the southeast and it was less than 10. It's 39 degrees, but it feels like 28 thanks to that strong breeze coming through. And from our Rockrimmon studio camera, you can see our flags are flying as the cold front makes its way downhill and through town. So in terms of conditions tonight, it's definitely going to feel colder than the actual air temperature is reading with these stronger wind gusts. Winds are gusting around 15 to as high as 40 miles per hour with this cold front, and it will continue to progress southward across our area through the night. Once it clears out of Colorado, we will see the winds die down pretty significantly, and overnight the wind will be gusting less than 15 miles per hour, and then we'll just be left with some cooler air behind this frontal boundary. It has a little bit of moisture with it, not a ton, but there are some light rain showers or a wintry mix along I-70 this evening and the northeastern part of El Paso County, getting in on a few little flakes or sprinkles tonight. So this moisture is not going to be significant. Maybe if you're lucky, you'll pick up 1/10 of an inch, but as a whole, once this system continues to progress south, it will lose a lot of that moisture. And by the time the front makes it to Highway 50, we're just seeing clouds and not likely to see any more precipitation. And overnight, we will clear out and then it will get cold. Teens and 20s for our overnight lows, down to 21 for the Springs and Pueblo. That's actually pretty typical for this time of year. And then tomorrow afternoon, we will be about 5 to 10 degrees cooler across the region. Now, our high today in Colorado Springs was 58. Tomorrow we'll be down to 47 behind this front. But notice we're still a few degrees above our normal of 44. We'll have a few high clouds increasing during the afternoon tomorrow. In Pueblo, 50 tomorrow, a few degrees above average, but cooler than the high of 55 that we had today. And in terms of the rest of the region, we're mostly talking 40s and 50s for your Wednesday. A little cooler, but it's not a particularly strong front. We'll see mostly 40s in the Pikes Peak region. Low 50s along the Arkansas River. And then after the cool down tomorrow, we are going to generally see a mild pattern with high pressure setting up over Colorado as we progress through the rest of the week. So we are closest to average temperatures tomorrow. Then we rise into the mid to upper 50s and we'll be well above average really for the rest of the week. So looking ahead, I've got 50s from Thursday onward. Saturday is the first day of winter, not quite feeling wintry yet for the first few days of the season. That solstice will happen at 2:20 a.m. We'll have 9 hours and 26 minutes of daylight on that day. And we are going to take full advantage of the daylight we see. Temperatures will be mild over the weekend in the mid to upper 50s. In Pueblo, low 50s tomorrow, but then the rest of the week will be nice. Upper 50s, even low 60s in the extended outlook. The first weekend of winter is looking great. For Canyon City, a mix of sun and high clouds for the rest of the week. Your cooler day will be tomorrow. After that, upper 50s or low 60s. And finally, for Woodland Park, some high clouds tomorrow, just a little bit cooler, and then we warm up through the rest of the week. We've got 50s on the board for Friday through Sunday. A nice couple days are in store as you get ready for the holidays.